Hello, space explorers and our Universe X viewers. As we enter the final month of 2025, December, the sky transforms into an astronomical art gallery. This month brings not only a spectacular supermoon, but also the year's best meteor shower, the Geminids, and a dazzling planetary alignment. In this video, we will cover every detail, from the scientific secrets of the December 4th supermoon to the mysterious origin of the Geminids. Get ready, check your observation gear, and join us to discover the brightest secrets of December. Our first stop is the cold supermoon occurring on December 4th. A supermoon happens when a full moon coincides with the moon being at its closest point to Earth in its orbit, the perigee. This proximity makes the moon appear approximately 14% larger and 30% brighter than a normal full moon. Where does the name cold moon come from? This name originates from Native American cultures, inspired by the cold weather and long nights in the northern hemisphere at this time of year. The supermoon is not just a visual spectacle, it is a testament to orbital mechanics. The supermoon's effects are not only visual, they also amplify its influence on our planet's waters. The moon is the primary force controlling tides on Earth. At the perigee point, the moon's gravitational pull is strongest, which can cause slightly higher than normal tides, known as spring tides. But rest assured, the supermoon has not been scientifically proven to trigger earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or other natural disasters. This is merely an exaggeration of the natural interaction between the moon and our oceans. On December 7th, we have another major event on our sky calendar: the conjunction of the Moon and Jupiter. A conjunction is when two or more celestial bodies appear close to each other when viewed from Earth. This month, a beautiful crescent moon will sit right next to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Although Jupiter is not as bright as the moon, it will be easily visible to the naked eye, even in the early evening twilight. This is a wonderful observation opportunity that combines the power of a giant planet with the elegance of the moon. If you observe Jupiter through a telescope, an incredible bonus awaits you. Its four largest moons, discovered by Galileo in 1610: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These moons were revolutionary in astronomical history as they provided evidence supporting Galileo's idea that Earth was not the center of the universe. Europa is a particular point of interest in the search for life, as it is thought to harbor a liquid water ocean beneath its surface. As you watch Jupiter in December, remember that these four tiny points of light were the key to an entire scientific revolution. And now, the star of December, the Geminid Meteor Shower. This is widely regarded as the most reliable and spectacular meteor shower in the northern hemisphere. Why? Because the Geminids can peak with up to 150 meteors per hour and are famous for their bright, slow-moving fireballs. These meteors take their name from the Gemini constellation, which is the point in the sky from which they appear to radiate. What makes the Geminids so unique is that while most meteor showers originate from the debris of a comet, the Geminids' source is an asteroid. The source of the Geminids is a mysterious object named 3200 Phaethon. Phaethon looks more like an asteroid than a comet. However, it has a peculiar orbit that takes it closer to the Sun than Mercury. This extreme proximity causes material on its surface to vaporize, creating a comet-like tail of dust and gas. Scientists are still debating exactly what Phaethon is, a fragmented asteroid broken up during close solar passes, or a rare type of comet. This uncertainty makes the Geminids one of the most scientifically intriguing events of the year. There are a few critical tips for getting the best view of the Geminids. Timing. The shower peaks in the early hours of December 14th, after midnight. Location. Find a dark place away from city lights. Direction. You don't need to look directly at the Gemini constellation. The meteors will appear all over the sky. Simply lie back and observe about 45 degrees of the sky. Remember, you don't need a telescope or binoculars. The naked eye is the best tool. Also, be prepared for the cold. Warm clothes and hot drinks will make the experience much more enjoyable. There are a few critical tips for getting the December is not just about the major events. The sky also hosts the rising of the winter constellations. You can easily spot Orion, the Hunter, Taurus, and Canis Major. Additionally, on December 21st, the winter solstice occurs, bringing the shortest day and the longest night of the year in the Northern Hemisphere. This is an event celebrated for thousands of years in astronomy and mythology. As you observe the sky in the evenings, try using a star chart app on your phone to spot these classic winter constellations and planets. There are a few critical tips for getting so there you have it, the incredible events the December sky has in store for us. From the supermoon to the Geminids, this month is full of exploration. Our best tip while observing? Be patient and get away from light pollution. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which event you plan to observe. For more detailed space guides like this one, be sure to subscribe to Our Universe X and share this video with your space-loving friends. Until our next cosmic adventure, goodbye and clear skies!